For this first exercise of the chapter, we're going to write a program to play a simple little guessing game. So let me make sure I don't have my previous version up here. Okay, so it's gone. So we're going to call our program guess.py. So let's open it up. So the first thing we're going to do is store the answer to the game in a variable answer. And the answer is Watson. And in a moment, you'll find out what the question is. First, we're going to tell the user that we're going to play a guessing game and they get 3 tries. And we're going to say, what is the name of the computer that played on Jeopardy? So the first thing we do is get the user's response. We'll store it in a variable called response using raw input. Now here's where we test. We say if response equals answer, print that is right. Else, print sorry, guess again. And then we say response equals raw input, and then we test again. So here we're nesting an if statement inside the else, or actually in the if. These are called nested if statements. If response is equal to answer, then we tell the user that they're right. Otherwise, else, print sorry, one more guess. And again, response equals raw input. And then if the response is equal to the answer, print that is right. Else, print sorry, no more guesses. The answer is, and we'll just use the variable value answer plus a period. Let's test this and see how well it works. So we'll do an exit save, clear the screen, and then run the script. And let's say Deep Blue. It's not Deep Blue. Okay, it's Bob. Oh, that's right. It's Watson. And so on the third try, I got it right. Play it again. This time we'll get it on the first try. Let's play it again. We'll say ENIAC. Then we'll say Watson. One more time, and this time let's not get it right at all. ENIAC, sorry. Deep Blue. Joe. Sorry, no more guesses. The answer is Watson. So here we've used the if statement, the if-else statement, in a nested manner to allow the user 3 guesses. A better way to write this program would have been to use a loop that looped through 3 times. But we haven't learned how to write loops yet. We're going to learn how to do that in the next chapter. So this was the best way I could think of to write this program and demonstrate how to use nested if-else statements. With that, we're finished with this exercise, and we're ready to move on to the next and last exercise of this chapter, where we demonstrate how to work with the if-elif statement.